Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple Mailchimp tags. This is incredibly useful when you want to target specific groups of subscribers who meet multiple criteria, making your email campaigns much more precise and effective. Let's jump right into it. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the login button and enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your audience segments and tags. After logging in, look at the left navigation bar and click on Audience. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your subscribers and organize them into targeted groups. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Segments. This will take you to your audience dashboard where you can view existing segments or create new ones tailored to your marketing needs. On the Segments page, locate and click on Create Segment in the top right corner of your screen. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to set up custom filters to combine your tags effectively. From the Segment Filter Creation screen, select Tags. This filter allows you to combine multiple tags using specific conditions, giving you complete control over how you group your audience. Next, from the Conditional drop-down menu, select Contact is tagged. Then, in the Select or Search a Tag field, choose the first tag you want to combine. This sets up your initial criteria. Now, to add another tag to this combination, click the plus Add In button. This is crucial because it allows you to layer multiple tags with the same set of criteria and conditions, creating a highly targeted segment. Select Tags again from the filter options, then choose Contact is tagged from the condition dropdown. Now, in the Search or Select a Tag field, pick a different tag that you want to combine with your first selection. You can repeat these steps to add as many tags as you need to combine. Each time you click the plus Add In button, you're building a more refined segment that captures exactly the audience you're looking for. Once you've added all the tags you want to combine, click on Use Segment in the top right corner of your screen. A prompt will appear asking you to give a name for your segment. Enter a descriptive name that helps you identify this group easily, then click on Save and Exit. You've now created a segment that combines all the tags you assigned, allowing you to send targeted campaigns to subscribers who meet all your specified criteria. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.